welcome to another SMC tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be putting you through how to farm Borpa on Stakeland. Stakeland is a farming platform that enables users to farm new tokens by staking their meme coins or completing quests. If you have actually found our content, our videos helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat. WikiCat is built on the Binance Smart Chain, so the contract address would be right in the description. Alright guys, so let's dive right into today's tutorial. So this is not our first tutorial on Stakeland farming. We have a tutorial of moon farming on Stakeland. We have another one of YOLO farming on Stakeland, right? So if you did any of this farming, moon farming or YOLO farming on Stakeland, this one should not be difficult for you to do because it's almost basically the same process, right? So without any further ado, let's dive right into today's lesson. So we're going to start with opening Mrs. Browser. Okay, so next is to head over to Stakeland. So I'll just paste the link, search. So as you can see, the farming is live and it just started today, being the 19th of June, right? So it's gonna last for some time. I really don't know how long, but usually Stakeland farming does not last for a very long time. That's why you need to start the farming as soon as possible. All right, so select Let's Farm. So first off, we're going to connect our wallet. So connect Metamask. So we'll have to switch our network to Ethereum Mainnet. Switch. Once you confirm who you are ready to start the quest. Okay. All right, so we're going to sign in our wallet. Sign. Okay, so you can see the requirements for this farming, right? First off, you need to have 1,000 meme staked. You can see I have over 1,000 meme. You will have to submit your Solana wallet address. Select this. Input your Solana wallet address. So I'm going to go over to my Phantom wallet to get that. Receive, copy. Okay, all right, so I just copied my address. Head back, paste, select submit wallet. Okay, so we have completed that. Next is to follow their official Twitter account, I think. So select this, follow. Okay, so follow, head back and collect stakes. I got. All right, so if you notice, my stakes have increased by the amount that I just got. So next task is to select this. Next is to follow Stakeland. So select follow. And see, I'm already following Stakeland. So go back and claim. Okay, so I'm done with all the tasks. So guys, it's that easy, just like we saw in Moon protocol farming and in YOLO farming, right? So just come here as regular as you can to complete a new quest and claim your rewards, right? So I believe that by now you understand how farming on Stakeland works, right? Basically, you accumulate stakes by either staking your meme coins or by doing these quests like the ones we just did, right? So once you do all of that, you earn stakes, and then at the end of the farming period, you burn your stakes for real tokens. So like I said, the farming might not last for so long a time, so you want to come here very regularly to check for new quests and have them completed before the end of the farming period. Alright guys, so that'll be all for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching the tutorial video. I hope the video was helpful. Please do ensure to drop your comments and questions in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.